Our Capstone Project worked alongside Starkey hearing aids, and they came to us and told us that there were a lot of people out there that need hearing aids but don't want to use them because there's a lot of stigma associated with it or there's not a lot of features. So what we did is we did a proof of concept to see if we can use hearing aids to record physiological signals, specifically measuring heart rate. And so we did this by using a microphone, and we placed it in the ear canal and recorded cardiac acoustic signals. And with some signal processing, we were then able to get that audio recording and convert it into BPM to see your heart rate.
I think working with Starkey was a really unique opportunity for us because they are based out in Minnesota. There's not a lot of hands-on work that they're able to help us with, but they were able to guide us through video calls and emails and things like that. And so it really taught us how to work on these things on our own while still having a little bit of that guidance with us.
For me, the most surprising part of working on this project was actually how much I was able to learn. I have a background in biosystems engineering and not a lot of coding or signal processing, but as I was working on it, I was able to learn a lot of different signal processing methods, such as bandpass filters or envelope detection. I was also able to learn a lot about what the workflow is like to work with an industry partner.
For me, this project gave me a big takeaway that I'm more focused on the the reality things, like how to make a real project prototype. Because before I'm all more focused on the software things and optimize data, but in reality, there's a lot of constraints. So how to balance the reality constraints and the optimization of the theories is a great lesson for me.
I entered bioengineering in an attempt to move into medical devices and prosthetics, something that really would have an impact on people's lives. But getting to do this project with Starkey too also allowed me to realize that I don't necessarily have to work in medical devices or prosthetics in order to have an impact on people's lives. Doing a project like this has shown me that there are other ways to do that with the addition of these health and wellness features into their hearing aids.
Starkey was really great, and they provided a lot of guidance to help us get to this final design stage. But it was a really great experience, and I'm happy with where we ended.